Hello folks, I've just landed in Keighley and I'm going to spend a day with you travelling via the 𝗵𝗵𝗴𝗵𝗵 Railway. We've got 150 years of history here and we'll jump on the steam trains and we'll try to cover as much as possible. So stick with us. So with me I've got 𝗵𝗵𝗴𝗵 as usual. What's happening here? Is it just sort of, is it turning around? And
yeah,
it's gonna...
it's turned around at the far end,
yeah,
filled up the tanks with water,
yeah,
and then it's going to go up there, and then they'll reverse it back,
right,
and then they'll
okay,
recouple it back onto the carriages.
Right. So we're at Keighley at the moment.
That's
the next
right, yeah,
station will be 𝗵𝗵𝗴𝗵𝗵.
I think it's caught me out there. I think it's Ingrow.
Ingrow,
yeah.
right, okay, yeah. So I think the trek is around about just under 5 miles,
yeah,
and the purpose of the 𝗵𝗵𝗴𝗵𝗵 Valley is, was it built in the late 19th century for the mill traders?
It was, yeah.
Good, good.
That's quite interesting for the mill traders, isn't it?
Yeah, and there are around about 5-6 stations, railway stations on the way.
Right.
And each station has its own character.
It does. It's very old.
So we shall do our best to capture what we can today. It's going to be a packed day, but we'll do our best.
So this is a firebox, I presume?
Yeah.
And the gauges? The pressure gauge?
Steam heat, pressure gauge, water gauges.
And these two?
These are injectors put more in the file.
Okay. And that's on off? Between?
That's the brake, vacuum brake.
Okay. And the steering?
That's the reverse.
Reverse, okay. And this side?
Pole, yeah, handbrake.
Alright, excellent. Thank you very much, okay. Yeah, we're pulled out of Keighley train station now, okay? And the train is chugging along. You might be able to hear it in the background. Can you hear it? Yeah, probably can, yeah. So, nice views on the way, and I can see steam.
I like the fact it's not going 100 miles per hour. You can actually sort of chill out and look at the view outside.
Well, the carriage is very nice, very old, old wood, you know, old. I mean, even the seats you can see, they're in the old style, so it's all original.
Right.
And we seem to have picked some speed up now, so our next stop is Ingrow.
So this particular building has come from 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗵 in Lancashire, which is what those two boards there are explaining.
So it's been moved brick by brick.
Outside at the end, which was the foundation.
Oh no,
when we started building it.
Is it on the platform?
It's on. No, it's outside on the end of the building, just where we opened the gate.
Okay. There are two museums which much, and we'll obviously visit at some point in the future.
Okay. Well, that's good, that.
So, and we've met people just now. They're obviously tourists, and they've come.
Yeah.
They've come down to see the museum.
So here we have the museum at Ingrow. It's don't know if it's open, but let's have a quick look from outside. How cool is that? I might come here on another day to film inside the museum.
Museum of Rail Travel. This is
the second one at Ingrow.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Second museum at the Ingrow station.
Well worth a visit.
Yeah. So.
Shows a montage of railway children. I wonder if any carriages featured in that
that movie.
in the movie. You know, whether they're actually here or not.
Looks interesting.
I think it might be markers or something.
Yeah.
Who knows? I love these old plaques though.
Yeah. But it's got that vibe. It's got the old feel in it. Yeah.
Stream running through the valley.
He's more grandfather.
Just stopped at Damon's. Yeah, we just stopped at the Damon's train station, so we're just going through that now.
How interested in 𝗔𝗠𝗏𝗏.
Have a look around.
Yeah.
So we're just leaving Haworth now.
Yes, we are, yeah. And here's the train station itself, the buildings. Again, very nice. Nice and old, in the old-fashioned theme.
Plenty of photographers. It's quite busy actually for a Sunday.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah.
We're under the bridge at Haworth. I've noticed a lot of people tend to stand on it. It seems to be a viewing point. And here are the sheds for making the sheds over here, old trains. And then as we leave these sheds, there's 𝗺𝗐 Mills beyond here, under this bridge, which we've filmed recently. Here's 𝗺𝗐. It's very different.
Oh yeah, 𝗺𝗐, yeah.
From the train side looks very different, doesn't it?
Oh, that's an angle I would have thought we'd never get.
And then there's a quarry up there that we recently filmed as well. We just
Any tickets from Haworth, please?
you might just be able to see it as we come away from these houses. See where the windmill is? You should be able to just get it now. There we are.
Oh right, yeah.
You might not get that now.
I think that's the 𝗕𝗿𝗥 quarry, was it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. There, the quarry which we...
Just behind there, yeah.
That's right. Yeah, nice houses these, aren't they?
Yeah.
Might be able to see the quarry better now. There we are, there's the house where the quarry is. Station. So this is where the train will turn round, so I think there's a waiting time for about 20 minutes so we can disembark here and have a look around. Lovely coal fire. Keep my elbow with coal today. Surprisingly warm in here, see the doors are open. This fall?
From the toilet tanks up.
Oh, right, okay.
I didn't get a chance to water up this morning.
How many litres? Fill it up.
That, 70 gallon.
70 gallons?
70 gallon in that, 70 gallon in that. There's 2 tanks on there.
On the outflow, it is dispersed over the track.
Yeah, it's a big pipe.
Yeah, I mean, and when someone flushes the toilet, they disperse it on the track.
Just straight up to
Yeah, like in the old days.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's good. Is it well used? Are you busy often or?
Yeah?
Oh, that's good.
Gone through nearly 9 gallon of beer today.
And I never drunk it all.
If you did, you were doing well to be standing.
So you know these things like the Harry Potter Express and things like that, did you?
No, we don't do them.
We don't do that.
Okay then, yeah. Just a Halloween, and the Christmas one?
Well, we do 𝗪𝗱 Express.
What does that entail?
Well,
The 𝗪𝗱 Express?
again, people get on here,
Yeah,
they go down to Keighley,
yeah.
to see Santa, get the presents, mince pies and things, and then come back up.
Yeah, so it's great for families and kids
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you get your old mince pie from down there as well?
Oh, I either send us a box of them now and again.
Oh, that's good, isn't it? You deserve it.
Don't like it.
now heading back into Keighley.
Wow, that was amazing. A bit of a rush job. We had to jump from one train station to the other, and as you can see, each train station has its own little character. Do check out the website, bring your family across, grab a ticket, jump on the old steam train and watch the amazing landscape go by. And most of all, thanks for joining us, and see you in the next vlog. Peace out.